Today you're going to learn how to make a Mangosteen Passionfruit fruit tea mocktail. This delicious fruit-flavored tea combination, what I call a mocktail, even has real passion fruit at the end. So if you're looking to add a new drink to your shop menu that both looks and tastes great, then this is an excellent option for you. So let's get started. The bubble tea industry has really exploded, which means more and more new flavor ideas to work with. Mangosteen being one of them. The syrup form of it can be quite sweet, so best to balance it out in a mocktail. And what better tropical fruits than passion fruit and pineapple? If you own a bubble tea shop, you probably already have your base Jasmine Green Tea ready. But I'll go ahead and link my video right up here so you can learn how. But for this video, we're going to brew a single serving of the strong base brew. I find that a Jasmine Green Tea base works really well with this drink as it doesn't overpower the flavor of the mangosteen. But feel free to experiment with other types of tea. Put 1 tablespoon of Jasmine Green Tea into 170 milliliters of 70 degrees Celsius water. Leave it to brew covered for 7 minutes. I'm going to be making this drink today in a 500 milliliter shaker and doing what's called a dirty pour at the end. I find that having the ice in the final product allows for some of the passion fruit seeds to float and it looks really cool. But if you'd like a 300 milliliter drink without any ice, then go ahead and strain it and add the real fruit at the end directly to the cup. And while the tea is brewing, we're gonna go ahead and start with the mangosteen syrup. If you have a pump system in your shop, let's assume they're about 7 milliliters per pump. So for the mangosteen syrup, you'll need 30 milliliters or 4 pumps. I have a tablespoon today, which is 15 milliliters, so therefore I'm going to do 2 tablespoons. This is very liquidy, so the pump method is ideal. Next is 15 milliliters or 2 pumps of pineapple syrup. Again, I have a tablespoon, which is exactly 15 milliliters, so I'm going to be doing 1 tablespoon. And don't worry, I'll be sure to put this recipe in the description below, as always. As you can see, this one is definitely a lot thicker. Depending on the season and the sweetness of the real passion fruit that you're using, I may or may not recommend putting in a little bit of lemon juice. And the reason why is it will bring that zing flavor up, just in case it's too sweet. But if you're in a season where the passion fruit or the fruits that you're sourcing are quite sour or tangy, then definitely omit this step. If you do need to add it, it will be 2 milliliters or about 5 to 10 drops of lemon juice. I know my batch of passion fruit today is quite tangy, so I'm going to omit this lemon juice step. Strain the tea into your shaker and give it a really quick stir. Add ice all the way to the top. Put on the middle lid and the top lid and shake real quick for 30 seconds. Cut open a passion fruit and put the entire amount of the seeds, juices, and pulp into the shaker. The more wrinkled the outside skin is, the better possibility for sweetness. And because I'm not going to be adding a topping to this 500 milliliter cup, I'm going to go ahead and put another ice cube in right now. So we want to put the lids back on and give it another quick 30-second shake. At this point, you'd put a topping into the customer's cup. Give it a quick strain to even out the upper level of the liquid, and then dirty pour the whole thing in. See the seeds? Some float and some sink. It looks super cool. Okay, let's give it a try. Cheers. Wow, oh my goodness, it is exactly how a drink should taste. What an amazing flavor profile. You've got the real sweetness of the mangosteen, the brightness of the pineapple, and then you get that passion fruit seed and the little chunk of the pulp, and you get a little bit of that juice in there. That's when you get that tanginess and that very bright zing or zang or pop or whatever you want to call it. It's really a phenomenal experience. This is out of this world. It is definitely just an amazing, amazing drink. So I definitely think it's important when you're making this drink, especially anytime you're working with passion fruit, that you have that yin and yang of the flavor profile. You don't want to just overpower people with super sour or super tangy. And you also obviously don't want to do something that's too sweet either. So having it just balance itself out with a drink like this is really, really nice. And I know from experience in drinking this, of course, that as the liquid level goes down, after you finished off all of the passion fruit seeds at the bottom, then these ones start to go down as well, and the whole drink, you will not be without any passion fruit seeds, let me tell you. So the flavor profile of the sweet and sour will be enjoyed the entire drink, which is amazing. And it's such a refreshing drink on a warm, sunny day. This really is one of those amazing drinks that I know you and your customers are gonna love right here. Well, thanks so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time, your comments, your likes for the YouTube algorithm, and you as a subscriber. Please be sure to click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.